Have you ever had a handle, one of these wooden handles on like a push broom or a brush or something like that, and it strips, it spins off, does like that? I'm going to show you how to stop that from spinning, and just take a look and see what we got. So we're going to take a drill, and we're going to drill through the brush part and the rod part, and we're going to pin it. So this is how I would do it. Look down here. My drill slipped. I'm going to have to retighten it. Just keep rolling. Alright, and since I don't have an assortment of all kind of hardware, I'm just going to use a drywall screw and go in there. Now, that is tight. You can't turn that. And I did it at an angle this way to keep it from coming down in the brush, because this is my car washing brush and I don't want it to scratch the paint. I don't feel anything down in here, so it didn't come through the bottom, it just went straight through here. And that's how you fix a loose handle on a brush or a broom or anything else that screws into a brush or a housing like this. Subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications.